I'm going to show you an amazing technique to drop your blood pressure if you have high blood pressure within minutes. And it's very, very cheap. In fact, it will cost you nothing.
Have you ever felt like you were doing everything right to lower your blood pressure? Cutting salt, adding exercise, yet nothing seemed to make a real difference? That was me. I remember the day I was diagnosed with high blood pressure. It came as a shock, and I felt like I was staring at a lifelong battle ahead. But then I found Dr. Berg's approach to naturally lowering blood pressure. His advice didn't just make sense, it worked. In this video, I'll be sharing the simple but powerful changes I made, inspired by Dr. Berg's guidance, to help you manage and even lower your blood pressure naturally. Let's dive in. At first, I felt lost. My doctor recommended medications, but I didn't want to rely on pills forever. I wanted a solution that treated the root cause, not just the symptoms. I remember lying awake some nights, my heart racing, worrying about what high blood pressure meant for my future. So I started searching for alternatives. After trying different diets, exercises, and supplements with little to no success, I found Dr. Berg's work. He opened my eyes to a new perspective on health. He wasn't just about managing blood pressure. He wanted people to regain control of their health naturally. One of the most eye-opening things I learned from Dr. Berg was how powerful food can be for naturally controlling blood pressure. It wasn't just about avoiding salt. It was about actively choosing the right foods. Take garlic. Dr. Berg explains that it acts like a natural ACE inhibitor, helping relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Then there's celery, a simple vegetable that reduces adrenaline levels, helping to keep your body calm. I also started incorporating more leafy greens into my meals for their potassium, which helps balance blood pressure. Adding yogurt instead for its magnesium content relaxed my blood vessels even more, while tuna, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supported my heart health. Picture a breakfast with yogurt, a lunch with leafy greens, and a dinner with tuna. Within weeks, I noticed a real difference. Dr. Berg's approach also taught me the importance of lifestyle changes in managing blood pressure. Regular exercise. Even something as simple as walking reduced my stress levels and helped me control my blood pressure. It wasn't about intense workouts, but about consistency. Then there were stress reduction techniques. Practicing deep breathing exercises had an almost immediate impact on how I felt, and Dr. Berg's advice on meditation further helped me calm my mind. I even tried yoga, which not only helped with flexibility, but also kept my mind and body balanced. These small, regular efforts made a huge difference over time, giving me more control over my health naturally. Lastly, I began incorporating natural supplements based on Dr. Berg's guidance. L-arginine helped improve my blood vessel function and naturally lowered my blood pressure. Adding vitamin D ensured I wasn't deficient, which could have contributed to hypertension, while magnesium further relaxed my blood vessels. With these additions, my health improved, and I felt in control. If you're struggling with high blood pressure, consider trying these natural solutions. Start with a few changes, build consistency, and remember, it's about creating long-term habits for lasting health.